Hello everyone, I'm Daniela and today's video is slightly different. It's more about design than actual DIYs. If you're watching this on YouTube, you might not know that I have a blog, and once in a while I like to share some freebies over there. So today I'm gonna share with you how I created those freebies. It's a set of wreaths with flowers. Let's call it spring wreaths. I'm not really sure how I'm going to call them, so the title of this video might be completely different, but if you want to go ahead and just download them, the link is in the description box below, so you can check them out. But if you want to know some inside knowledge on how I created them, just keep on watching. First, I started by making a sketch. Drew a circle with a compass and started doodling the leaves and flowers over the line. I didn't worry too much about the drawing being perfect at this point since I was going to redo it on the computer. Once it was finished, I took a photo with just my phone and sent it over to my laptop. There I opened up Illustrator and imported the photo to my artboard. To trace the drawing, I used my drawing tablet. This one is nothing fancy. I have had it for years and barely even use it. I wanted the wreaths to have an hand-drawn look with slightly uneven lines, so I used a set of hand-drawn brushes I got a couple of weeks ago, and I will link it below if you want to take a look. Then I just traced every element of the design. Once I got all the flowers and leaves, I added the circle. To finish off, I zoomed in and shifted the shapes that got out of place and reshaped some of the flowers because they looked a bit too messy and crooked. And that was it! Later I also drew the other 5, making sure the strokes and the brushes that I used were all the same, so they all look similar and part of the same family, and prepared the package that you can download on the blog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek on how I created the vectors, and if you want to see more DIY related videos, just leave a comment down below and a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!